Can you hear me properly, students? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay. So you are the students of 9th standard. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. So now we are going to start our 1.4 chapter. Have you thought of the verb have? Okay, and then we'll take 1.3 in the next lecture. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. So being like active students, give me reply when I ask you the questions. Okay. Whether your reply is right or wrong, no problem. But try to give reply. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Good. So we are going to start our chapter number 1.4. Have you thought of the verb have? Okay. Verb means what? What do you mean by verb, first of all? Yes. There are two types of verbs. What are they? Main verb and helping verbs. Main verbs and helping verbs. Okay. Do you know, students? Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Do you know there are two types of verbs? Main verbs and helping verbs.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what are the main verbs? What are the main verbs? Main verbs are known as action words that show action. Are you getting? Action showing words are known as verbs. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
इसका और एक प्रैक्टिस मैं आपको बताता हूँ. जिस वर्ड का हिंदी मीनिंग आता है ना, हिंदी मीनिंग, वो हिंदी मीनिंग में जिसका लास्ट लेटर ना आता है ना, उसको बोलते हैं मेन वर्ब. जैसे ईट मीन्स हिंदी में क्या है? ईट,
खाना.
खाना. डू मीन्स
करना.
स्लीप मीन्स
सोना.
सोना. फ्लाई मीन्स
उड़ना.
फ्लाई मीन्स उड़ना. डू स्टडी मीन्स
पढ़ना.
पढ़ना. वर्क मीन्स
काम करना. काम करना.
काम करना. हिंदी में ना आता है उसका मीनिंग का लास्ट लेटर, और मराठी में अणे आता है, अणे. जैसे गो मीन्स जाणे, रन मीन्स धावणे, स्टडी म्हणजे अभ्यास करणे. आर यू गेटिंग? अंडरस्टैंड म्हणजे समझने, समझना. हिंदी समझ में आया? अंडरस्टूड ऑल ऑफ यू?
यस सर. यस सर.
जिस वर्ड के हिंदी मीनिंग का लास्ट लेटर ना और मराठी का लास्ट लेटर अणे आता है, उसको मेन वर्ब बोलते हैं. समझ में आया? ये मेन वर्ब is converted into past tense and past participle. ing is added to the main verb. Before the main verb we add to, like go, went, gone. To, go and going. Are you getting? How many forms are there of main verbs?
Yes, sir.
5 forms. How many forms?
5 forms.
5 forms. Okay. 3 forms you know very well. जैसे go का past tense क्या होता है? Went. Past participle क्या होता है? Gone. Take का past tense क्या होता है? Tell me. What is the past tense of take? Took. Past participle is taken. Take, took, taken. And when gerund form is used, like to take, to plus verb is known as infinitive. To plus verb, to take. To plus verb take is known as infinitive. Or a infinitive is converted into gerund, like taking means verb plus ing, going verb plus ing, running verb plus ing. Understood?
Yes,
Understood
sir.
main verb? अंडरस्टूड. ओके. ये मेन वर्ब्स बहुत सारे हैं. आपका ग्रामर का कोई भी बुक लेंगे आपको तो एक टेबल मिलेगा जिसमें ये तीनों फॉर्म दिए हुए हैं. तीनों या तो 4 फॉर्म दे रहेगी, समझ में आया?
Yes.
जो रीड करना, ये लिखना, I would suggest you at least write down 200 to 300 main verb forms. Present tense, past tense and past participle. Keep on reading, you will understand. Understood? Understood? Okay. Now we coming to the main point. Second type of verb is helping verbs. Do you know helping verbs? What are the helping verbs? Tell me.
Please. Sir, can I say?
Yes, yes, tell.
सहायक क्रिया in हिंदी.
क्या?
सहायक क्रिया.
सहायक क्रिया, बट वो कौन से है? राइट.
Yes, sir.
ये सहायक क्रियाएं कौन सी है? हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स कौन से है? Helping verbs are also known as auxiliary verbs. What are they also known as? Auxiliary verbs. So what are they? What are the auxiliary verbs or helping verbs? Listen to me now. There are many helping verbs. Am, is, are, was, were, shall, will, do, does, did, have, has, had, may, might, must, would, could, should. Would, could, should, and can. 3 more are there. Dare, need, and ought to. So these are the helping verbs. Understood? So have is also a helping verb. Understood? Understood? Have. What is the
Yes,
past
sir.
tense
Yes,
of
sir.
have? What is the past tense of have? Had.
Had.
Understood? Okay. Now we are going to start the lesson. Understood the background of have? What is have? Have is a helping verb. I have many. How many times do you use the verb have in your conversation or writing? So while we talk to other people, or while writing any writing like essay, homework, story, whatever we write, then do you know we use many times the verb have? Are you getting? Try to keep a count of it for an hour or so. What do you find? That means if you try to keep how many times word have occurs in your writing or conversation, you will find that it is impossible to count the use of verb, because we use this verb have in our writing or conversation and number of times. Understood? Understood, students? Yes or no?
Yes.
Shivam? Okay.
Yes.
Perhaps you have always thought of this versatile verb as an auxiliary verb or a helping verb, as we call it. Just now I told you that have is a helping verb or an auxiliary verb. Okay? So हम ऐसे हमेशा सोचते हैं, we have been always thinking that have is a versatile auxiliary verb. Okay? Versatile means what? All rounder. Are you getting? That means which can be used everywhere. That's why it is known as versatile verb. The helping verb have is used to form what we call perfect tenses. They have come, they had clean forgotten, all about all about it. That means, listen to me, in perfect tenses like present perfect tense, past perfect tense, uh, future perfect tense, in this future perfect tense, in this perfect tenses, we use have. Understood? Like present perfect tense, I have done my homework. We use have. Understood? Past perfect tense, we say I had done my homework. Past tense of had. Past tense of have is had. Understood? That means we use the form of have as had in past perfect tense. Then future perfect tense. I will have done my homework. I will have done my homework. Future perfect tense. In that tense also we use have. So have is used to show the perfect tenses. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Even to make the negative sentence, then also we use have. Like they haven't come. I hadn't forgotten it. They haven't come means वो आए नहीं है. वो आए नहीं है. ते आलेले नाही आहेत. I hadn't forgotten it. मी ते विसरलेलो नव्हतो. मी ते विसरलो नव्हतो. मैं वो भूला नहीं था. I hadn't forgotten it. That means here we have used not NT means N apostrophe T means not. And when not, no, not, never, neither, none, nothing, nobody, nowhere, like negative words are used, the sentence become negative. Understood? That means assertive sentence or affirmative sentence turns into negative sentence when not is used. Understood? So even have is used to show negative sentences, but as a main verb, it is used to mean much more than you think. But have is a verb which is used as not only helping verb but also main verb. It is also used as main verb. Understood? जिसका मराठी मीनिंग क्या बोला मैंने, हिंदी मीनिंग में लास्ट वर्ड क्या आता है? हिंदी मीनिंग में लास्ट वर्ड क्या आता है?
ना.
ना. तो have मतलब क्या? have मतलब क्या? अपने पास होना, अपने पास रहना. Understood? Understood? Hello. Understood?
Yes, sir.
I have a book. मेरे पास किताब है. मतलब क्या होना. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here are a few examples we use very frequently. Frequently means again and again. So some examples are given of have in which we use the word have very frequently. Hello, can you hear me properly?
Yes.
No, sir. Your voice is
Hello.
breaking.
Hello,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ashwini.
Yes, sir.
Hello,
Yes, sir.
students.
Yes, sir.
मेरी आवाज नहीं कर रही क्या सर को?
Hello,
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
hello, students.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Give me reply. Okay. So frequently means what? Again and again. Then while conversating, making conversation with others, or while writing anything, we use the helping verb have or main verb have many times. So we are going to see in the following sentences, have indicates possession. What does have indicate? So possession means ownership. अपने पास कोई चीज है वो दिखाने के लिए, possession दिखाने के लिए we use have. See like the sentences, ownership और possession show करने के लिए. First is my friend has a pet cat. What does it mean? मेरे फ्रेंड के पास पालतू बिल्ली है, पेट कैट है. तो क्या शो करता है? उसके पास है मतलब ओनरशिप, पोजेशन. क्या शो करता है? उसके पोजेशन में है. आर यू गेटिंग? पोजेशन मीन्स व्हाट? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पोजेशन मीन्स व्हाट? टेल मी. ओनरशिप. पोजेशन मीन्स व्हाट? ओनरशिप.
Owner.
हाँ, ओनर. Okay. I have a new pen. Understood? Here also possession. Do you have a cycle? Here also. अब तुम्हारे पास साइकिल है क्या? तो साइकिल क्या हो गई? पोजेशन शो करता है. Understood? Hello, yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fourth sentence. Our school has 6 computers. इसका मतलब क्या बोलो?
School-
बोलो. Tell me what is the meaning of this sentence?
स्कूल के पास कंप्यूटर है।
हाँ, हमारे स्कूल के पास मतलब हमारे स्कूल में 6 कंप्यूटर है, 6 कंप्यूटर्स है। मतलब वो किसकी ओनर कौन है उस कंप्यूटर्स का?
Principal.
School.
स्कूल. ओके, हाँ, प्रिंसिपल या स्कूल. सो हियर every in all these sentences, what does have show? Have or has show? Ownership. Understood? Ownership or
Yeah.
possession.
Ownership.
Understood? Next, fifth sentence.
Yes, sir.
The municipality has 6 vans and 2 cars. Municipality के पास 6 vans है और 2 cars है.
Car है.
Understood? That means the municipality has the ownership of 6 vans and 2 cars. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are going to see next. We also use have to refer to events, activities, and experiences. Some events means write down. Events means incidents. Events means what? Incidents. Write down. So we also use have to refer the events, activities, and experience. That means to show some events, activities, and experience, we use have. Like first one, I am going to have a bath in the river. So ये क्या है? Event, activities और experience.
Infinity.
एक्टिविटी है. आई एम गोइंग टू हैव मींस मैं रिवर में नहाने जा रहा हूँ या मैं रिवर में नहाऊंगा. इसका मतलब ये एक्टिविटी करने जा रहा है. गेटिंग? सो इट शोज एक्टिविटी. हैव. सेकंड, लेट अस हैव अ पार्टी फॉर योर बर्थडे. पार्टी. हैविंग पार्टी मींस व्हाट इज इट?
Event.
कहना से
नहीं. इज इट इवेंट, एक्टिविटी और एक्सपीरियंस? लेट अस हैव अ पार्टी.
activity.
Having party is an event. Event. Are you getting?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Event.
It is more event than activity. Are you getting?
Yes, yes.
Event से activity से ज्यादा event applicable होता है. Next is third class has a short break at 11 a.m. Third class has a short break at 11. Has.
Activity.
Has is a
activity.
form of activity. Yes. Next, did you have a good time at the wedding?
Sir,
Having
event.
good time. Event. I have a meeting this evening.
Activity, sir.
Activity. Next, in some cases, have is used to indicate relationship. There are some events, or in some cases, we show relationship by using have. Like, I have 2 sisters. So here, sisters, I and 2 sisters are shown with the relationship of brother and sister or sisters and sister. So the relationship is indicated with the help of have. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Understood, students? Okay. The couple do not have children. Again, the relationship between couple and children is shown with have. Are you getting? Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I don't have a brother. Whose relationship is shown here?
Brother,
Brother and I.
don't have it. Yes, sir.
I don't have. I. Right. Good. Next, we also use have to refer to eating or drinking. We also use have to refer to eating or drinking. So eating or drinking, in order to show eating or drinking activities, we use have. First sentence, we have breakfast at 8 a.m. Having breakfast is
Breakfast.
eating. Having
Eating.
breakfast is eating. So
Eating.
to show eating or drinking, have is used. Have a slice of bread, cake. Have a slice, means having a slice of cake is eating.
Yes, sir.
Right or wrong? Yes. Next, what would you like to have? Tea or coffee? Having tea or coffee is
Tea and coffee.
Drinking.
drinking. Drinking. Can I have a glass of water, please? Having glass of water is
Glass of water.
Drinking.
drinking. Drinking is drinking water. Huh? Don't take me wrong. Understood? A small joke.
Yes, sir.
So did you understand? That means have is used to refer to eating or drinking.
Drinking.
Understood? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, have is also used to refer to a medical or physical condition. Like a medical condition,
Medical and physical.
physical condition of our health is shown with have. Like I have a headache. Means what? My head is aching. So this is the physical condition of our head is shown with have. Are you getting? So disease is
Yes,
shown
sir.
with have. He has a cold. Cold मतलब क्या?
ठंडा.
ठंडा नहीं यहाँ पे, सर्दी होना.
Cold.
बुखार.
सर्दी.
Wish.
Are you getting? सर्द.
Yes.
समझ में आ रहा है? हाँ. So
Yes, sir.
cold is a disease. Is shown with the word has, which is a second form of has. Have. Grandfather had a heart attack.
Gland.
Again, physical condition or medical condition is shown with had. Had is the past tense of. Had is the past tense of
Have.
what?
Have.
Understood?
Have.
So don't think wrongly that here have is not used, but had is a form of have. What is students?
Yes, sir.
Understood? Okay. Next. In sentences where have is used as a main verb, it is always used in the simple present tense or past. See, when we use the word have as a main verb, जिसका हिंदी मीनिंग का लास्ट वर्ड क्या आता है बोला?
Na.
Na. Okay. So then when
Yes,
it is
sir.
used as main verb, it is always used to show simple present or simple past tense. The present continuous form is not used in such case. Okay. But most of the people, present continuous form is, most of the people use have in present continuous form, which is wrong. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस फॉर्म में बहुत सारे लोग, पढ़े लिखे लोग भी आईएनजी फॉर्म हैविंग यूज करते हैं, आईएनजी फॉर्म यूज करते हैं, जो रॉन्ग है प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस या पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस दिखाने के लिए. लाइक आई एम हैविंग अ बाइसिकल मींस व्हाट? मेरे पास बाइसिकल है, साइकिल है. आर यू गेटिंग स्टूडेंट्स?
Yes, sir.
आई एम हैविंग अ बाइसिकल. सेकेंडली क्या बोलते हैं? ही इज हैविंग अ कोल्ड, उसको सर्दी हुई है. आर यू गेटिंग? ही इज हैविंग अ कोल्ड. आई एम हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ होमवर्क, मुझे बहुत होमवर्क करना है या मेरे. आर यू गेटिंग? सो दीज सेंटेंसेस
Yes.
आर रॉन्ग. क्रॉस मार्क हैज पुट इज पुट देयर. ये कैसा होना चाहिए सेंटेंस? फर्स्ट सेंटेंस कैसे होना चाहिए? हाउ इट कैन बी said properly, grammatically proper sentence. I am having a sentence is not like this. I have a bicycle. What should we say? I have a
I have a
bicycle.
bicycle.
Second sentence, how can we say? He is having a cold. It is wrong. So what is the proper sentence?
He has a cold.
He
He
has
has
a
a
cold.
cold.
He has a cold. Third, I am having a lot of homework. I am having a lot of homework.
I have a lot of.
Tell me. I have a lot
I
of
have
homework. I have a lot of homework.
Homework.
Understood, student? Understood, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Understood, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. I repeat the sentences. Tell me first sentence. I am having a bicycle. Other students. Don't tell Ashwini. Don't tell. You know. Other students. Aditya, Mrunay Patil, Neha
Bicycle.
Patil. Tell me first sentence. I am having a bicycle. How can you say the right sentence? How can you say this sentence
I
rightly?
have a bicycle.
I have a bicycle.
I have a bicycle. Very good. Then second sentence, he is having a cold. Come on, you are right. Tell me. He is
He
having a
have a
cold.
cold.
He have the cold.
No, wrong. He has a cold. He has a
He
cold.
has a
See,
cold.
students, when the subject is third person singular, when the grammatical rule is there, when the subject is third person singular, like he, she, it, or name of a single person, place, or thing, then we use has. Understood? Like he has, she has, it has, mother has, the teacher has, a bird has, the doctor has. Understood? But when the subject
Yes,
is
sir.
first person, like I and we, second person, like you and you, and third person plural, they, then we use have. Like I have a bicycle, you have a bicycle, we have a bicycle, they have a bicycle. But he has a bicycle, she has a bicycle, it has a bicycle. Understood?
Yes,
Understood?
sir.
Mahesh has a bicycle, but Mahesh and Kedar. Now, how many boys are there? Two. So it
Two.
becomes plural form. They. Are you getting? Mahesh
Yes,
और
sir.
केदार हम दोनों को कौन सा प्रोनाउन यूज करेंगे? दे, थर्ड पर्सन.
They
तो दे क्या हो गया? प्लूरल फॉर्म हो गया. तो क्या आएगा? हैव. सिर्फ थर्ड
have.
पर्सन सिंगुलर रहेगा तो ही हम यूज करते हैं हैज.
Have.
समझ में आया? अंडरस्टूड प्रॉपरली?
Yes. Yes,
सो
sir.
कैसे आएगा ये सेंटेंस? हाउ कैन वी राइट दिस सेंटेंस? ही इज हैविंग अ कोल्ड.
He has a cold.
Correct. He has a cold. Third, I am having a lot of homework.
I
Tell me
have
other
a lot
students.
of.
Right. Repeat it. I have a lot of homework. Right. Very good. Similarly, next. Similarly, it is not used in the negative form as a main verb. But when we use these sentences, when have is used as a main verb in the sentence, then in negative sentence, we cannot use have. Like, he hasn't a car. अभी हैज क्या हो गया? हैज इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ हैव. तो हैजंट नहीं होगा. क्या होगा? he hasn't a car. I haven't a
Hasn't.
cold. So यहाँ पे हम do का फॉर्म यूज करेंगे. We use do form like do,
Do.
does and did. Do, does and did are the forms of do. Are you getting?
Yes.
So when the subject is third person singular like he, she, it, we use does. Or when the subject is first person, second person, or third person plural, we use have. So ये जो sentence है, he doesn't have, he hasn't a car. ये कैसा आएगा? He doesn't have
He
a
doesn't
car.
have a car.
Understood? How
Yes,
how does
sir.
this sentence can be written? He doesn't have a car.
Car.
Next sentence. I haven't a cold.
I don't have a cold.
Right, very nice. I don't have a cold. Understood? So to indicate the negative, we use auxiliary do along with the main verb. Understood? So
Yes.
do you enjoy the use of word helping verb or main verb have? And did you did you have the fun?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा लगा ना? देखो बच्चों,
Yes.
ये have और has had इसका यूज करना सेंटेंस में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, जो कि अभी हमने पढ़ा. अंडरस्टूड? तो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, add your own sentences to those given in the passage to illustrate the uses of have. पैसेज में जो एक्सप्लेन किए गए हैं have के यूजेस, उनसे अभी have के आप ओन सेंटेंसेस बनाओ. टू शो पोजीशन, टेल मी द सेंटेंस टू शो द पोजीशन ऑफ have. टेल मी द सेंटेंस ऑफ have showing possession.
I have a book.
Right, I have a book. Other students,
I have 3 laptops.
सब्जेक्ट चेंज करो. ही ले लो, शी ले लो, मदर, फादर, टीचर, फ्रेंड का नाम कोई या किसी का नाम.
Teacher
Tell
have
me.
2 books.
Teacher have 2 books. Right, right. Very good. Next. Next. टीचर हैव नहीं आएगा बेटा, टीचर हैज. टीचर हैज 2 बुक्स.
Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Teacher has, sir.
हाँ.
You explain now.
राइट. टीचर्स प्लूरल रहेगा तो हैव आएगा. टीचर्स हैव बुक्स, ऐसे लाइक. अंडरस्टूड? लाइक दिस. नेक्स्ट,
Yes, sir.
टू शो ओनरशिप. टू शो ओनरशिप, टेल मी द सेंटेंस ऑफ हैव शोइंग ओनरशिप. Tell me. Don't hesitate. You know.
This laptop is my big brother.
No. But have कहाँ पे यूज की? My big brother has a laptop.
Yes sir.
Understood? My big brother has
Yes.
a laptop. Next. Next student. Tell me.
I have a computer.
Right. I have a computer. Correct. Next. To indicate relationship. Relationship show करने के लिए यूज करो. सेंटेंस बोलो. Like Rahul has a sister. Rahul has
My
two
brother
sisters.
have a cycle.
My brother has a cycle. Okay. Okay. Next.
Yes, sir.
Next. रिलेशनशिप शो करने के लिए यूज करो. ओनरशिप स्टॉप करो. रिलेशनशिप. Like I have a brother and a sister. Have. Understood?
I have book.
सब्जेक्ट ही, शी, इट लेके बोलो.
I have.
या किसी का नेम लेके बोलो. सब्जेक्ट चेंज करके बोलो. Sachin has a heavy bat. Tell me.
Rahul has a brother.
Correct. relationship. हाँ, Rahul has a brother. We have an expert teacher. Okay. Next, to refer to events, activities, and experiences. Tell me. Event. Today we have a puja at our home.
My brother's wedding.
Sentence. Tell me sentence properly.
Today my brother's wedding is there.
Have किधर आया? Today we have my brother's wedding.
I have to go in my brother's wedding.
No. Event action show करना. Today I have my brother's wedding. Understood? Understood, Rohan?
I have a go my friend's birthday.
I have to go to my friend's birthday. Right.
I have organized my
लेकिन
birthday
I
party
have
on
to
tomorrow.
go. See, I have to go मत बोलो. I have my friend's birthday today. Understood? Next. Now refer to eating and drinking. Next one. Eating and drinking. I
We
have
have
my. Tell me.
we have referred eating and drinking at 8 a.m.
We have.
Referred eating and drinking at 8 a.m.
No, your sentence is not proper. Eating and drinking show करना है आपको have use करके. Like I have taken my lunch. Understood?
I have juice can.
I have a juice can. No, but this is possession, ownership. I had drunk juice. Understood? I have drunk.
I have dinner at 8 p.m.
Yes. Okay. Next, to refer
Yes.
to physical condition. Last, to refer to physical condition.
She has an headache.
Right.
She has
Very
a
nice.
headache.
She has a headache. I have a stomach ache. So I cannot come to school now. School today. Regular reason, na? No? I have a stomach ache, so I can't come to school today. Next. Yes, can anybody tell me? Okay. Next question. Look up the following verbs in a good dictionary. List at least 20 different uses of each. You may include their use with different possessions, different prepositions, adverbs, and in idioms. Go. Go down, go to bed, have use करके. Tell me.